Hello friends. Start with a bowl of 1.5 pounds or 700 grams of ground beef. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of rosemary. Crack in 1 egg. Then in a blender, add 1 cup or 125 grams of oatmeal. Blend until it turns into flour. Pour the oat flour into a small bowl. Add 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of warm cream. Mix until smooth. Friends, it's wonderful to know where you're watching from. Share your city and country and US friends. Tell me your state as well. Pour this into the bowl with the ground beef. Finely chop 1 onion. Feel free to ask any questions about the recipe in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see them. Pour some olive oil into a frying pan. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it. It's a simple way to show your support. Add them to the pan. Sauté the onion over medium heat for 3-4 minutes. Grate 2 garlic cloves on a mini grater. Friends, for more content like this, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any new recipes. Add them to the pan. Fry for another 2-3 minutes. Transfer the mixture to the bowl with the ground beef. Next, slice 6 potatoes into very thin circles. Grease a baking dish with olive oil. Arrange the potato slices in a spiral pattern along the bottom. Mix the ground beef thoroughly with a spoon or your hands. Form the meat into even-sized meatballs. Place them gently on top of the potatoes. In a small bowl, add 4 ounces or 120 grams of Greek yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Finely chop 1 bunch of fresh parsley. Add to the yogurt. Pour in 1/2 cup of water. Mix everything until smooth. Pour this sauce evenly over the meatballs and potatoes. Place the dish in the oven. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. While everything bakes, let's make a fresh salad. In a large bowl, add a few handfuls of mixed salad greens. Finely chop 1 bell pepper. Add to the bowl. Slice 4 mini cucumbers into rings. Add them in. Cut 6 cherry tomatoes in half. add to the salad. Next, cut 1 avocado in half. Dice into cubes. Add it to the bowl. After 40 minutes, take the dish out of the oven. Grate about 7 ounces or 200 grams of cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it over the meatballs. Return the dish to the oven for another 20 minutes until the top is golden and bubbling. For the dressing, take a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Pour over the salad. Stir gently. Remove the meatballs and potatoes from the oven. Finely chop a few stalks of green onions. Sprinkle them on top. Place a generous serving of potatoes and meatballs on a plate. Add a scoop of salad. That's it, juicy oven-baked meatballs, nestled over tender golden potatoes, paired with a fresh, colorful salad, full of crunch and brightness. A satisfying, well-balanced dish that's perfect for gathering around the table. I hope this recipe brings the same sense of joy and delicious comfort to your family as it has to mine. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you liked this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking.